So you know how Apple might go for titanium for the iPhone 15 Pro, right? Well, some people think Samsung will copy them and use titanium for the Galaxy S24 Ultra too. But the rumors have been all over the place, sometimes saying all the S24 phones will get titanium, and sometimes saying none of them will. But now there's a news story from the Elec, which is a Korean news site, and they say that only the S24 Ultra will get a titanium frame case instead of an aluminum one. They also say that the titanium stuff will come from a Chinese company called Solomon. The story also hints that Samsung might use titanium for more stuff later on. According to the report, Samsung is making a lot of titanium cases, about 15 million of them. That's how many S24 Ultra phones they think they can sell. But titanium is not easy to work with, and it might cost them a lot more money to make those cases. Right now, they pay $20 for each case. Samsung might try to charge more for the titanium phones, but who knows if people will pay that much. It's a big gamble for sure. I guess Samsung is not too sure about using titanium for their phones yet. According to some sources, they are only trying it out with the Ultra model for now, and they will see how people like it before they use it for other phones. Maybe they will use it for the S25 series in 2025, or maybe for some foldable phones in the future. That would be cool, right? But they are not ready for the Fold 6 or Flip 6 next year. The sources also said that Samsung has been working on titanium for 2 years, but they only decided to go ahead with it recently. I think Samsung is just trying to keep up with Apple because Apple is using titanium for their iPhone 15 Pro models, but it's not really the same thing because Apple's Pro iPhones used to have heavy stainless steel cases, while Samsung's Ultra phone has a lighter aluminum case. So titanium is not that big of a deal for Samsung. We still have to wait a bit longer to see Samsung's new phones. I heard they will show them off in San Francisco on January 17th. The phones will have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip from Qualcomm, which is supposed to be really good at AI stuff. The Ultra phone might use it for some fancy video thing that Samsung has been hinting at. It's a new processor that can handle a lot of tasks at once, like gaming, photography, video editing, and more. It also has a lot of features that make it smarter and faster, like voice and face recognition, noise cancellation, and battery optimization. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.